What's up, guys? You're watching the Shawn Nicklaus channel. Today we are opening a Gran Turismo set, and we haven't seen one since 2018. The first time we saw one was back in 2015, and they were exclusively sold in Europe, not US. Not until May of 2016 we started getting that same set in the US. So there's only two other Gran Turismo sets, and both of them have GTRs in it, and this one has the R35. Now, the last set had the R34, and then before that, they had the R32. So it's kind of in sequence. So that's really cool. And there's only going to be two of these cars right here, the Supra and the GTR, in this set. There's only one per case. So, and these have the metal case or metal bases, which is awesome. I'm so happy Hot Wheels is doing that. All right. First up, we have the 1973 BMW 3.0 CSL race car. Love the artwork on all of these. Here is the complete set right there. And also here's the barcode. Go ahead and screenshot that. Have the employee scan it if you're looking for the set, which is just a nice set. The code for this is GDG83. So that's what you should be looking for. It's printed on the card as well. All right, let's check out this 73 BMW. Does not have a metal base, by the way. But look how cool that looks. The majority of the cars in this set cost roughly $3.50. So they're going to come with, you know, the headlights, the taillights, the full deco. This one's rocking a very dark window tint. It's got a black interior. It's got the headlights, the taillights, like I mentioned. And it's got those new style wheels on it, which look absolutely great. And I love the clean look on this one. It's got the Gran Turismo right there behind the side doors. And it's rocking a black base. All right, that is the 1973 BMW 3.0 CSL race car. Let's go ahead and park it up. Let's go ahead and move on to the next car in this set. This one's going to be a very hard one to get in this set. There's only one per case, and this one comes with an awesome metal base. Pretty cool. Let's get it cracked open. I'm excited to get this R35 out of the case. This is pretty much a premium, just minus those real rider wheels. Love the clean white look to it. It's got the Gran Turismo on the side doors and also on the front hood and across that front windshield, but that doesn't really bother me too much. It's rocking a clear window tint with black interior, and it's got those awesome 5-spoke black wheels, and it has that rear Nismo license plate. All right, let's go ahead and park up this R35. Such a cool car in the set. Check out this Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Super excited to see the Porsche 911. I love the 911. This one does not have a metal base. The only other one that does have one is that Supra back there. All right, let's get this one cracked open. Very excited to see this one. Love the yellow. Yellow is a very cool color on these exotic cars. And I gotta say, I do like the livery on this one. And every single car in this set has a number except for the BMW. This one's rocking number 3. The GTR had number 2, and then the Mustang got 20, and the Supra's got number 90. So there's 2 in sequence, the 2 and the 3, which is the GTR and also this Porsche 911. It's got full deco, and the headlights are actually the plastic used for the windows. All right, let's go ahead and park up this beautiful Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Let's go ahead and move on to the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Such a cool car. Love the engine hood scoop right there. Definitely adds to the detail, and it feels heavy, like it's got some weight to it. Doesn't have a metal base though, but that's fine. Let's go ahead and get it cracked open. I think this one definitely underrated. That Shelby GT500 looks absolutely great. Like I mentioned, that hood scoop just really adds to the details. It's not part of the die-cast body. It's actually plastic, and the body is metal. Full deco, headlights, taillights. This one's number 20. It's got Ford authentic logos all over it, and also Shelby. And I do admire those spoke wheels with the chrome trim on it. All right, let's go ahead and park up this Shelby GT500. Move on to the final car, the 2020 Toyota GR Supra. This one's really cool, and it's got a metal base, which is just fantastic. It's actually a matte black metal base, so it's kind of hard to tell. It feels kind of light compared to that Shelby GT500, but it still does have a metal base. Let's get it cracked open. Such a cool car. Love the Toyota Supra. I know a lot of people think of this car as the BMW, and I can see why. It's got a clear window tint with black interior. It's got taillights. It doesn't have headlights, but it's got number 90 on the side, and it also says Gran Turismo along that front hood. Very nice race cars in this set. The BMW and the GT-R just look super clean, and then the last three cars, the 911 and GT500, and then this Toyota Supra look like full race cars. That is the fifth and final car in this set. Here they are all loose, all the cars that we opened up. I want to know which one's your favorite. I know that R35 and that Toyota Supra is going to be popular, and there's only one per case. 10 cars per case, only one of each. All right, let me know which one's your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe.